So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And just a few hours back, the biggest release of the month has been done. That is, Kimi has released Kimi K3. And my friends, it is a bonkers of a model. It is able to beat our GPT 5.6 Sol, Claude Fable, GLM 5.2, and everything else. It's the best AI model that you can say, not just open source, but it is able to beat our closed source models also. And I think the gap between open source and closed source is now ending soon. And as you can see on my screen, this is Claude Code, and we are using Kimi K3 with it. So in this short video, I'll try to develop something using Kimi K3 and Claude Code. Let's see how good the model is with Claude Code. If you have read the documentation, they have mentioned that Kimi K3 is quite great with game development. So shall you try that out? Let's see. So let me type in, help me develop a game called Snake and Ladders. Let me see what it creates. I have no clue what it'll do. I have very minimal requirements for game dev in my system. So I think it will do certain installations also. Let me see how it goes. Channeling 13, 14. I think compared to Kimi K2.7 that I was using previously, it is a little slower. But yes, it is costlier also, as people have mentioned. It is costing around Claude Sonnet's rate. So the model is expensive, has about 2.8 trillion parameter. As you can see, it is asking me what I want to do. Web, Python console, Python plus Pygames, type something else. So let's keep it web. Let me say web for now, or Python console plus Pygame. So let's do Pygame. Two-player hot seat. I want a one-player conversation classic. Yes. Now I want to see how it performs, what it works out. It has taken all the prerequisites for me. What platform should the game run on? Python plus Pygame. Pygame is a game library in Python. How many players? One player versus computer. And which rule set? The classic one we are using. I want to see how it performs. I think the initial start has been great. It has asked some very great questions to build out the game. And it has already consumed about 1000k tokens. It would cost me a fortune, I guess, for building this video, but I think that's fine. I would really want to test out how good Kimi K3 is. Its channel is still taking its own good time, thinking some more. I want to demonstrate how good the model is. And even if the model is not good, this is a real-time test of Kimi K3 live for the first time on this channel. So almost done thinking. It is taking its own good time. It's a little slower for sure compared to Kimi K2.7 code, which I was using previously with Claude Code in my system. I just change it now, and let me see whether it is able to complete my task or not. As you can see on my screen, for thinking for about 5 minutes, it is able to get a reply, write the game, smoke test logic plus rendering handless. Two assumption I have made: overshoot equals to turn wasted, standard Milton Bradley, snake ladder positions, and no roller 6 to enter rule. Python 3.13 is ready. Pygame is installed, installing it now. So everything is getting controlled by Kimi K3 here, and I want to see in the end whether it is able to create a game for me or not. So let's wait, let's see what next comes out. As you can see on my screen, Pygame 2.6.1 has been installed also. Now writing the game. Till now it has consumed about 20k tokens and no code has been written. So I want to see how much token does it consume and what does it cost to me also. But I think Kimi K3, given the benchmarks, is the best LLM right now, and I am able to use it to build the game for myself. Let's see how does it go. It is able to write the entire code, as you can see, and it is asking me to accept whether I can move ahead or not. Continue. What happened? I didn't reject it. I think it got clicked by mistake. So they want me to continue. The reaction might have been accidental as it is able to get it. Let me try the writing the file again. Continue, suggest proceeding with the task. I'll reattempt the write. As you can see, the token writing is shooting up very fast right now within seconds. Yep. As you can see, I'll be accepting allow all the edits. Thinking 4 seconds. File written, now verifying. First a compile check. Then a headless smoke test that renders every element, simulates thousands of full games to confirm the rules logic. This is crazy work, my friends. It is able to create an entire snakes and ladder game, you versus the computer, without me touching anything. I think within 10 minutes I waited for, and it is able to do most of the stuff for me. Now, this was a basic game that I asked, but I think creating complicated games with K3 won't be that tough a challenge, given the team is boasting some great results out of K3. I'll be building out more games. I'll be showing that to you too. All checks passed, compile okay, render okay, everything is looking good. We are ready to play the game now. I think it will be soon starting the game for me too. Want any change? It has given everything now. All the check pass, the game is done and verified. Run it. As you can see, what do you get? Board game. Run it for me. Run it for me. Let me see whether it is able to do that too or not. It is written the entire file for me in Python plus Pygame. We can attempt a more complicated version as well. Now the game has started, my friends. I need to just roll on the dice. So I'll roll on the dice. This is created completely by K3. 5 has come and my mouse has started now. I'll roll. Just look at the graphics that it is able to generate and look at the information I'm getting. 6, 3, 4. I'm able to play the entire game here. Crazy work, my friends. I think K3 is here to stay. And the result that I've got is amazing. It is able to develop the entire UI using Pygame. I know Pygame is quite restrictive, but this is some another level of work that K3 has done. So bet yourself, try out the model for sure. K3 is here to stay, and it has just broken all the barriers for me. Try building a game. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.